I'm Cameron Brown with the NASE. Today, I want to tell you about an easy way to fix many of the most common problems with your computers, phones, printers, and other IT equipment. The fix often resolves problems without any other needed steps. This fix often resolves problems that don't have an obvious cause. In fact, it's often the first thing I do when trying to fix something because it's usually the simplest way to resolve the problem. All you have to do is simply restart the device. Yes, oftentimes a computer or device will simply not work correctly for a variety of reasons. When this happens, restart. If possible, shut it down properly, then unplug and/or remove the battery. Then, replace the power source and fire it up. If it works, great. If it doesn't, then you may want to reach out to somebody like me. As a NASE member, you can ask about the issue for free. Just go to the Ask the Expert page on nase.org and send a question to the information technology expert. Remember, at the NASE, we're here to help you with all of your business needs.